You know, the whole concept of side effects doesn't sit well with me. It's kind of cute, but really, there are only effects. All right, rolling. If you take a supplement or a medication, you're going to have an effect. It's going to do something for you, and potentially there could be some annoying little things. So the only side effects that could occur and may happen is if you take too much at one time and you're not used to taking it, and you might get loose bowels. If the product you're using isn't sufficiently fresh or pure, the oil might be slightly rancid, which would cause fish burps. So if you're experiencing fish burps on a daily basis, then certainly you want to find a better product. And lastly, I would just say that the side effects are very, very minimal compared to the benefits you will achieve from better brain health, better cardiovascular health, better skin and hair, all those good things. Hit the like button, do the subscribe button, do the little notification bell. You can give feedback. You can tell me you love me, you hate me, whatever you want. Let's do it.